then you use a protractor, go in there, protractor, and you measure like 2 degrees to the left, for example.
Good at that.
Well, the programs they've got now,
Yeah, typical.
they
Left
really,
eye gone left.
the
They're
computerised.
sharp.
Pretty
They're
cool.
really,
No, this is great.
hello.
See, look at you.
This is
Hello.
Helen's 43rd
Thanks,
AOC.
Yeah, no,
Now we're going-
6 years I still don't understand this.
This is Jeremy's last
Right.
AOC because he knows everything now. And Bryden will be teaching it next year.
But this is the basic, you know.
So he's using my X-rays from 10, 20 years ago. So they all phase. So how are you doing there?
I can't match up your lines with that one.
You know why? Too much of the skull's missing
Yeah.
for practical purposes. And so what you did by just measuring, bisect, it's going to be more accurate than that. Because this old crappy film, that's what they were.
Right.
That's
You only go down to the AC. Yeah. You don't go beyond that line.
Oh, I didn't draw it in. It's not
There you
sharp.
go.
It's again.
Did you break the
It's